Go to the next level. Listen, even when you're making a lot of money. There is little doubt about the success of IKEA, the world's 8th largest retailer. The Swedish retailer employs 211,000 people in 445 stores across 52 countries. In 2022, IKEA reported a gross profit of 14 billion euros, up from 13 billion euros the previous year. In spite of 80 years of success, IKEA is still listening to and working with its customers to upgrade its unique customer experience. IKEA revolutionised retailing, persuading shoppers to travel to its out-of-town stores, navigate its maze of layouts, transport their furniture home, and assemble that furniture themselves. These features of IKEA's experience have become part of IKEA's brand, delivering great success, even leading to the IKEA effect, a cognitive bias where consumers place a disproportionately high value on products they assemble themselves. Despite its success, IKEA recently worked with its target market to improve the customer experience. This has led to some profound changes, including investing heavily in its online offering, learning from rivals like Amazon and Alibaba, developing small stores, often located in central business districts, offering home delivery services, and paying contractors to offer assembly services. With all of this change, mistakes were made. Initially, IKEA abandoned its unique store layout for a more free-flowing design, but customers complained, and the labyrinth was reinstated with shortcuts signposted. Initially, IKEA prioritised smaller stores ahead of larger stores, but consumers responded negatively, highlighting the need for a mix of larger and smaller stores. The results of these changes to the consumer experience at IKEA was profound. Customer satisfaction is up. Online sales have risen from 6% of turnover to 25%. Gross profit is growing by more than 9% per annum, and traffic is up as much as 50% in some stores. Lessons learned from this work by IKEA include the following. Customer experience really matters. Secondly, working with customers delivers superior outcomes. 3, change enables or causes mistakes, but that's okay, they can be amended. 4, trial and error is a valid approach to change. 5, even a success story like IKEA needs to continue improving. 6, even sacred cows, such as the labyrinth within IKEA, should be open to change. And 7, listening is a critical skill for all businesses. For more on listening to customers to facilitate change, visit www.djohncarlsonesq.com. That's www.djohncarlsonesq.com. Or email me, johnc@linkintegrated.com. That's johnc@lancintegrated.com. I'm John Carlson. Thanks for listening.